wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the video I did not so long ago where I did like the second half of swatching bronzers, contours for deeper complexions, see if brands are catfishing on these websites if you're ordering online, I decided, we should also talk about blushes because that's a reason a lot of deeper complexions, a lot of black women shy away from blushes because especially, like back in the day when you didn't have all these options, you couldn't order online, you had to go into like Walgreens and whatnot and look at the blushes that they have in their physician's formula. There's a reason why so many shy away. Like I've had people say like there's no point of blush because, because I'm a deeper complexion, I don't naturally blush. It's like, it's literally just bringing color, bringing warmth back into your face. Same thing with contour and bronzer. Like, why would you bronze your face? You're only doing that because, other complexions do it. And it's like, no, it's about the way that light hits your face. I mean, think about it. You put one layer of foundation over your entire face and just leave it that way. It's gonna look kind of flat. That's why you contour, so that you're putting dimension back into your face. Same thing with blush. So if you guys want to see some of the blushes, I feel like if you are a deeper complexion, go ahead and check it out. Let's go. Okay, first up, these are hands down my favorite blushes ever. These are holy grail. She did what she had to do with those blushes, and they are the Rare Beauty blushes. How many do I have? Hold on. So these are the ones that I have in front of me. They are the Rare Beauty. They don't have the actual name of the product, but they're Rare Beauty's liquid blushes. The fact that they're liquid, they blend in so seamlessly on the face. They are pigmented. That's another thing when it comes to blushes. Like getting blush to show up on my skin tone, especially if it is like a, like a lighter pink or something like that, is a struggle as well. But these are pigmented. They blend really nicely. The colors are flattering. These are the two that I wear almost every time that I put on makeup. This coral one is Love, and then this mauve one is Believe. But also these shades Hope and Encourage are also flattering colors on my skin tone. I'll swatch some. This is Love swatched. That wasn't even that much effort put into that one. Y'all know some you gotta back and forth. And then this is Believe. And I'll do one of the other ones. This is Encourage. Okay, did what she had to do. I feel like a lot of the colors are flattering on me, if not all of them. I could really use all of them because I've never really used just like one product because like I said, I use the two blushes. I usually use two lip colors. I don't know what it is, but they mix really well with each other. They mix well with other formulas and whatnot. Literally hands down favorite blush, go-to blush, absolutely. Now this next one I feel is kind of like a dupe for the ones that I just showed you. I don't know if that's intentional. I don't know if SheGlam was intended to be like an elf, or what's another brand that or Makeup Revolution that dupes things, but like packaging, I mean I guess there's only so much packaging you can do when it's a liquid blush. But these are their Color Bloom liquid blushes. They look like this. But again, maybe I just like prefer actually no, because I've got powder blushes that I like as well, but I don't know, liquid blushes just do something different for me. This is the shade Swipe Right. Again, like you see how it just comes out, it looks so opaque. That's the word I'm looking for. Like some of them, they be sheer, and that's when it starts like, looking patchy and whatnot on the face. Please get it together. On the face. And this one is Birthday Suit. Like even the brighter colors, it's supposed to rain. I am sorry, y'all. I feel like my brain is very much so giving like 8 different thoughts at once, which is why it's kind of all over the place. But I don't know, your girl is just, energetic today. If you're a longtime subscriber, you already know this was going to be in this video. These Laura Mercier Blush Infusion blushes. This is the shade Grapefruit. Looks like this. Now, as far as powder blushes, this hands down would be my favorite one that I've tried before. So Rare Beauty, favorite liquid blushes. Laura Mercier, favorite powder blushes. But overall, that spot goes to Rare Beauty. If I tried to swap, like, it's just... Try not to go that low. Like, hello. Absolutely. Absolutely. And once again, pigmented, blend really nicely. It's not going to be sheer unless you want it to. Like, that's the thing you can build with the blushes that I'm recommending in this video. So if you don't want, you know, like orange, pink on the cheek, like you can put as much as you want. It'll be subtle, but you can still see something on your skin. But if you don't and you want, like, nah, I want y'all to see this purple blush on my cheek using these, like, you're going to see them. But now the thing is, with Miss Laura, the shades are nice when you find the shades for your skin tone. You see, like, the other ones, the SheGlam, the Rare Beauty, like, pretty much all the shades that I had shown were pretty flattering. Well, Miss Laura, you know, she got some of them Pepto-Bismol shades. This is Strawberry. You would lightly try this one if you're my skin tone, but like if I tried to swatch this, you know, we started getting a little, but they do have other really nice shades. It's a purple one. I can't remember what it's called right now. I can't find it, but definitely check this out if you are in the market for blushes. I should have taken this bracelet off. Up next, Mother Pat. These are the Pat McGrath Blush Without Caution blushes, powder blushes as well. What I like about her is, like I was just saying, if you do like a little bit more subtle, I feel like that's what you're going to get with these. Whereas like the other ones, you see like, bam, it's in your face. These, I feel like there's build up with these, but once you do to whatever level that you want it to, it's going to be really nice. So this first one is Paradise Venus, and it looks like this. Again, like you see that just, yes. We know Pat wasn't going to miss there. And then the second one is Electric Bloom. Ooh. Okay. And that looks like, ooh, wrong finger. Wrong finger. That looks like this. And like you see how the arm is just giving flattering for my skin tone, besides the example that I had to show y'all. Now I just want to show y'all the difference with why the first liquid blushes that I recommended are ones where I'm like, if you're a deeper complexion, absolutely go ahead, pick those up, compared to another liquid blush where it's like, I like the product, but it's one of those, it comes out a little patchy, like you're gonna have to do a couple sweeps and whatnot. The colors are nice on, but this is the A blush, liquid blush from Armani Beauty in the shade 30 right here. Look at this swatch compared to like these liquid blush swatches. Like I'll try doing it again. Like you see how you can see product built up right here and then compared to the rest of it. I tried doing it again. It's not the same. But once you do put this on the face, it's a nice product, but you know, we're gonna put you on to like right out of the tube. Absolutely. Now an affordable option, I don't know if you guys remember, but e.l.f. Cosmetics came out with these putty blushes. They are sticking true to that whole like putty line, the putty primer, didn't they have like a putty, there's something else, the putty bronzers, putty blushes. This is in the shade, I can never see the shade name. It's on here, I just can never see it. And this is what it looks like. Keep in mind, can't really fit my finger in there. Different consistency compared to everything else that I've talked about. It's not liquid, it's not powder. But the formula of this when a product is leaning more towards, you know, a little bit more cream of a product, it just looks so nice when you use it as a blush, bronzer, or contour. It's just something about those products in those areas. It blends in really nice when you use the actual right tools. Can't fit my finger in there. It is pigmented, but it's more of that, you know, like subtle, kind of like Pat, but the putty version, you're gonna build to get what you want. But like I said, more affordable and definitely more flattering colors for deeper complexions. Oh, and I also have this shade. Quite literally can never see the name of these colors. Ooh, did I get that on my nose? And then my last one and another affordable option are these blushes from Sephora. This is this blush from Sephora in the shade Hot Flush. It looks like this down here. And listen, Sephora collection is slept on. The skincare and the makeup, the stuff be pigmented, it'd be blendable, it'd be affordable. And when I feel like they're always having like 30% off sales on Sephora collection. When it's that time of the year for the Sephora sale, they always have like an extra sale off on the collection. Like, do not sleep on Sephora's actual makeup brand because it be doing what it gotta do for a good price. And yeah, y'all, those are my go-to blushes for different reasons, different times that I might have to pick one of them up. But like I said, I've got my favorites. And you know, like we can see here, they've got shades that are flattering on my skin tone and just makes the whole look come together. So I hope this video helped. If you were scared of getting into blush, if you want to get into it, you don't know where to look for shades for your skin tone, if you were looking for, you know, different price ranges, I hope this video helped. And let me know down below if you want to see this type of video for anything else, because I've already done it for, I think it was bronzer. I think it was bronzer. If you want to see a contour, eyeshadow, let me know down below. And yeah, let me know what some of your favorite blush products are as well. And make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.